everyone, Rachel here from ChefsTemp. Here's how to set a cook note for your ProTemp Plus. So why would you want to take notes? Well, many reasons. You want to cook a selection at a higher temp for shorter periods of time or vice versa. You can take general notes or more specific notes about adding fuel to keep your ambient temperature right where you want it. If you're in the middle of a cook, tap the graph icon, or at the bottom center, tap Notes, then Add Note. Notes are divided into general internal temperature, ambient temperature, and time. After you add the note will show up as a dot on your graph. Here's how you find your notes for previous cooks. Tap the three dots at the top right of the dashboard, tap Previous Cooks or the clock icon at the bottom, select the cook, then tap Notes. For more information about our ChefsTemp products or the ChefsTemp Pro Plus, go ahead and check out our website or subscribe to our channel. And remember, ChefsTemp always gets you the perfect temp every time.